Hi, tutor. Good day, tutor Sergio Andres Mora. My name is Francisco Javier Suarez. I'm student of program Engineering Industrial. In this opportunity, I invite you to know Paris. Destination Paris. Welcome to the city of art. Paris is the capital of France, is a major European city and a world center for art, fashion, food, and culture. Its 19th century cityscapes is crisscrossed by wide boulevards and the Seine River. In this city, you can see many tourist sites. For example, the Eiffel Tower. It's the tower very important for the people in Paris. Look, the Eiffel Tower. The Arch of Triumph. Look, the Arch of Triumph. So, Notre Dame Cathedral. Notre Dame Cathedral is the cathedral very beautiful. Um, is a monument special in the city Paris. In this city, you can travel and meet, for example, trolley car, trolley car. For example, cable car. And you can taste in Paris the most beloved steak and fries in Paris. Delicious, very delicious. I can see special. The most famous soup in Paris. Oh, delicious. And everyday classics that you can find all over Paris. I'm Creme de Life from the oldest patisserie in Paris. Oof, delicious, very delicious. And many other things. Come and meet with yours Paris. Paris awaits you. Thank you. Goodbye, tutor. Thank you.